Now resistors in parallel. So in parallel grouping, different current flows through the different resistors, but they have same potential difference. Suppose three resistors of resistances R1, R2 and R3 are connected in parallel across potential difference V. Here current I is divided into three parts, I1, I2 and I3. I1 through resistance R1, I2 through R2 and I3 R3. So here I is equal to I1 plus I2 plus R3. If current I flows through the circuit and equivalent resistance in parallel is Rp, then using Ohm's law, I is equal to V by Rp, I1 V by R1, V by R2, V by R3. Now V by Rp is equal to V 1 by R1 plus 1 by R2 plus 1 by R3. Therefore 1 by Rp is equal to 1 by R1 plus 1 by R2 plus 1 by R3. Note, for two resistors in parallel, we can write 1 by Rp is equal to 1 by R1, 1 by R2, or 1 by Rp is equal to R1 plus R2 by R1 into R2. Therefore, Rp is equal to product by sum R1 into R2 by R1 plus R2. So, Rp is equal to R1 into R2 by R1 plus R2. That is a product by sum. Now, one question related to resistance. So, a wire of resistance 20 ohm is bent in the form of a circle. Find the equivalent resistance about its diameter. So, we know that diameter divided a circle into two equal parts. So, R1 is 10 ohm and R2 is 10 ohm. Now, these R1 and R2 are parallel to each other because they have same potential difference. So equivalent resistance about diameter, that is R1 into R2 by R1 plus R2. We can write 10 into 10 by 10 plus 10. Now 100 by 20, that is equal to 5 ohm. Second question, this question has come in board examination 2020. So a cylindrical conductor of length L and uniform area of cross section A has resistance R. Another conductor of length 2.5 L and resistance 0.5 ohm of the same material has area of cross sections. So now here we know that R is equal to rho into L by A. Now according to course R is given 0.5 rho L and area of cross section assumed at A dash. Now divide these two. It will come 1 by 0.5 A dash by A, L by 2.5 L. Now it is equal to 2.5 by 0.5 A dash by A. Therefore A dash is equal to 5A. So area of cross sections has becomes 5 times. So now option A is correct. Now next questions. A wire of resistance 20 ohm is bent in the form of a square. Find equivalent resistance about its one diagonal and about its one side. First of all, ABCD is a square that is formed by bending the wire of resistance 20 ohm. So each sections of the square has resistance 5 ohm. Now we have to calculate here equivalent resistance about AC. Now here R1 and R2 are in series and R3 and R4 also are in series. Now these 5 and 5 10 and 5 and 5 also 10 ohm. So now RS is in first case 10 ohm, second case also is 10 ohm. Now these two 10 ohm resistance are in parallel. Therefore 10 into 10 by 10 plus 10, that is equal to 5 ohm. Now second part of this question, we have to calculate equivalent resistance about one side AB. So now these three resistors R4, R3 and R2, these three are in series, and this series will be parallel with this 5 ohm. So now 15 ohm and 5 ohm will be in parallel. So 15 into 5 or 15 plus 5, that is equal to 3.7 ohm. Now this circuit contains infinite repeated resistors. Now these are repeated resistors and connected to the infinite terms, and after removing one repeated terms, the assume that the equivalent resistance is equal to R, it will be equal to R, because there will be no effect in the equivalent resistance after removing one repeated resistors. So now 2 ohm and 2 ohm, these 2 ohm are repeated resistors. So suppose that equivalent resistance is R, or after removing these repeated resistor, the equivalent resistance will also be equal to R. Now these 2 ohm and 2 ohm will be in parallel, and again it will be series with 2 ohm. So R is equal to 2 plus 2 into R by 2 plus R. Now R into 2, 2 plus R is equal to 2R, R square minus 4. Now R square minus 2R minus 4 is equal to 0. Using quadratic equations, minus b plus minus under root b square minus 4ac. So minus 2 plus minus minus 2a square minus 4 into 1 into minus 4, and 4 plus 16, it is equal to under root 20. This is equal to 2 plus minus 2 root 5 by 2. Take 2 common, that is 1 plus minus root 5 ohm. That is the equivalent resistance of the resistor connected to infinite terms. Now again one questions. Now here we have to calculate equivalent resistance about AB. Now each part contains 2 ohm, 2 ohm, 2 ohm, 2 ohm and 2 ohm. So the R1 and R2 are in series, and these R1 and R2 will be parallel with the R3. So now RS is equal to 4 ohm, and again RP is equal to 4 into 2 by 4 plus 2, 8 by 6, that is equal to 4 by 3 ohm. Now R4, Rp and Rs are in series, therefore 4 plus 4 by 3 ohm, now 16 by 3 ohms. So these three resistors will be in series, so equivalent resistance is equal to 16 by 3 ohm. खत्म है. Thank you.